Welcome back to Hot Car Track, and this haul here comes from the current leader in Road Warriors Season 3, and this is Variat Skunkworks. We have some Nascars, and I'm assuming that these are for Road Warriors, and this little guy over here, so let's get into it. Skunkworks is telling me that his cousin, this little geezer here, Gordo, is packing up his home in Canada, and he's moving to Australia. And guess where he's going to live? On Hot Car Track. He's got his Dodge pickup here, got some spare tyres, and there's Gordo. Let's have a look at him. Mate, you made a good decision coming down to Australia, and in particular Hot Car Track. We'll have lots of fun up here with Nige and Big Kev and all the girls around the track. We've got plenty of action always happening here on Mount Western Raceway. Good on you, Gordo. Let's have a look at your Dodge. Very nice indeed. Got some tyres here, just in case you do some burnouts. Very nice, mate. Thank you so much. And Gordo, good luck in your future here on Hot Car Track. Next up, we have the Nascars. There's 4 of them heading into Nascar. This is number 24. This is tube and polished axles, sanded wheels, and graphite lube. Let's have a look at the wheel spin. Very nice, mate. Very nice. Nascar will happen after Fantastic. And this one here is the number 15. This also has tube and polished axles. It has a Hot Wheels wheel swap, and these are also sanded wheels. So, yeah, nice wheel spin. And the number 18 is also a Lionel. This is also tube and polished axles, sanded wheels, and also the wheels have been swapped into Hot Wheels. And this has graphite lube on it. NASCAR is really heating up to be one hell of a competition. So looking forward to NASCAR. And this last one, this number 4, is a Hot Wheels Stocker. This has polished and fixed axles, sanded wheels, graphite lube, and also has a Hot Wheels to Hot Wheels wheel swap. The last 2, I'm assuming, are going into Road Warriors. This one here is a 1997 Ford F-150 2-door, weighs 90 grams. This has tube, sewing pins and glass bead axles. Has sanded wheels, fully custom paint and graphite lube. So you've gone to a hell of a lot of trouble, man. I mean, everyone does with their customs. You know, I'm just in awe of you builders. I'm not a builder, I race cars. What a wheel spin! Holy moly! Yeah, man, that's cranking. And this one here is obviously the Caddy 16. This is coming in around about 72 grams. Non-fixed polished axles, sanded wheels, FTE wheel swap, and graphite lube. Blue Line Racing is currently racing one of these in Road Warriors Season 3 and going extremely well with the Caddy. So good luck racing this in one of the next Road Warriors seasons. Fantastic. Good on you, Skunkworks, for sending in this excellent NASCAR haul, Road Warriors. And look at Gordo. He's happy. He's in Australia. He'll be getting himself a Cooper's, maybe a nice bottle of red for the afternoon and just watching the cars go by. So thanks again, mate. Good luck in Road Warriors. Good luck in NASCAR. And once again, thank you for this fabulous haul into Hot Car Track, Australia. Catch you later.